If you want to enable or disable cellular data on iPhone 17e, first of all, we're gonna go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna proceed to Cellular option over here. This can also be named Mobile Data, for example. And then in here, we can find the Cellular Data option. Now, if you have just one SIM active, then you will find a switcher over here, so you can tap on it to turn on or turn off the cellular data. If you have two SIMs active, then you will need to tap on the option, and then over here you can choose which SIM should be used for the cellular data, or you can turn it off in here. Besides that, you can also go to the control center, and then we have the connectivity section over here. You can tap on that section over here, the bottom right corner, in order to proceed to the details, and you can find the cellular data section as well, the button over here. So you can tap on that icon that we have in the upper left corner to turn on or turn off cellular data. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.